Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy TradingView Premium. First, open your web browser and go to the official TradingView website. Once there, locate the Pricing or Plans section, usually found in the main navigation menu. This area displays all the different subscription tiers, including Essential, Plus, and Premium. Take a moment to review the features offered by each plan to determine which one best suits your trading needs and goals. After reviewing the options, select the Premium plan to unlock its full suite of advanced charting tools and indicators. You'll then need to choose your preferred billing cycle, typically offering monthly or annual payment options. Annual plans often provide a significant discount compared to paying month to month. Proceed to the secure checkout page, where you will enter your payment information, such as credit card details or PayPal. With TradingView Premium, you gain access to powerful features that enhance your trading analysis. You can display up to 8 charts per layout, allowing for a comprehensive view of multiple assets or timeframes simultaneously. Furthermore, you can apply 25 indicators per chart, providing an incredibly detailed perspective. Premium also offers unlimited save chart layouts and custom intervals, giving you unparalleled flexibility in your technical analysis. To truly maximize your TradingView experience, delve into the advanced features like second-based intervals for precise timing. You'll also benefit from priority customer support, ensuring any questions or issues are resolved quickly and efficiently. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your enhanced trading journey with Premium.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.